everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today we have friend K970. It looked like brand spanking new engine, and see, everything's still brand new. I don't know how long is this one for, but it looked really new. It's run like see this one, brand new or brand new, you see, or really new. Even all this, just the dust make it look bad. Anyway, they got this one on the 24 April of 24. See, they bought this saw brand new April of 24, and the engine's already set up. No way in the world that I can turn this one. So lucky Simon didn't service this one. This is brand new saw for Simon to have a look. And you see, I try to undo them and try to turn, not even one move. You can hear it's stuck inside the piston here. So what we do today is open up and replace the Taiwanese one. We say again, we cannot afford to buy a genuine one because it cuts your arm and legs. Okay, so what we try to do is same as the other one, try to open up and see what happened. And normally this one new one, so some guy use them and the few problems. So easy for you to know is open up and check if they are mixed the right fuel or not. Like in last video, I recommend red oil or blue, so you easy to know they've been mixed right or wrong. Glass the clear, and you can pull it out like this. Okay, pull it out like this 100% per video from Simon. This is petrol, you can drink it, up to you. Okay, I can drink, you can drink, and if I can't drink, you can't drink. Okay, I cannot drink, you can't drink. And I say, if you put the red color or blue color, you can tell the difference. But this one look like they put 98 or 94, 95 unleaded. See, super straight unleaded in here, and it's burned out straight away. No question and no complaining why it's shit. Okay, it's because you guys using the wrong way. So I pull all the old field out first, and then I start trip the engine out. So this is the genuine one. You can see the shape of this one with the bolt like this. This is a genuine one. So it look like brand new engine, but it's been dry, wrong fuel mixture and cut dry. It's very dusty and suck the dust in here. Micro dust can blow up the engine. Open up the sparks. See, super lean. Look at that, super lean spark. Look at that, terrible. Remove my decompressor. Sorry for terrible tools I got. Okay, exhaust come out, and you will see the victory with my number 27. If you got the long bar, you need real long bar to go behind here, so make it sure 100% go in. See, 100% go in. See, if you got the right tools, make everything easy. So put this away. Later we're gonna put straight back in. And gasket, they need gasket. Okay, without gasket the exhaust came up. You can see it's really bad sit up in there, and you can see scratches already. Okay. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go over here. This end. The carburetor. Okay, go there. Yeah. And go now. Super tight. Okay. And see, go in here. For a flat screwdriver, just pick it out. The hoses still very tight because it's a new engine. You see, brand spanking new. I'm not complaining anything about this new engine, but trust me, if you do it wrong, it's still wrong. And go like that, and put this one out. Okay, go here. Any way you get it out, your choice. I have no comment now. Whatever you want to do, whatever easy, you do it. Much better. Okay, we clean up too later. So all this one come out. It's not as hard as the steel, but the quality of this one, the air filter, not that good. Not turn. The problem is you cannot turn. Don't break this one for air. The problem is can't get it out because the piston was sitting inside. Very bad. Look at that. Can't get it out, right? What we do is try to put, don't damage the bottom cylinder here. We're gonna throw this one, but don't damage the bottom end. So what we do is we have something like this go in this end, okay? At the moment we can't pull it out because with all the metal scrap let's go inside here. So what we do is put this one here, behind here, or somewhere here. Yep, put this one here. Yep, that one's better. Now I can brave myself. Oh man. Okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna break this one. Big trouble. I need 2 very strong screwdrivers to go in here. 2 very strong ones, okay? Okay. One bit. Yeah, see? That's how I'm gonna lift up. So I lift it up, the box back one. So I got this out halfway. Now one more. I'm gonna come out more. You see? Now I come out. You see? This plastic will help. Plastic here prevent damage this end. You don't want to damage this end, okay? Okay, done. It's good. Okay, now you inspection the piston. You see the burn here? See the crash here? And the big damage in here. You see? The melt metal, hot, overheat, and melt metal come out and damage this one for sure. This is nothing, but in here it was. You will see the line in here. Everything here is terrible. Okay, now we wash and clean everything. After you free the piston, now you can turn. See, you still can turn. You see, got the silicone here too. It's not supposed to be silicone though. Anyway, they can do whatever they want. No bulls in box, Taiwanese. Steel gasket, better quality. Piston rings. And now they design with better materials, not white, but you can see the heat. See the stronger aluminium than before. The white aluminium not as strong as this dark one. So maybe sheet metal, sheet aluminium. Put in the box. Show the customer the evidence of you've been done, and we'll be happy. Okay. Away. Okay, step away. Put the new one on. See the piston, the pin, everything. This one is the universal one. You can use decompressor this type, decompressor here, or you can use decompressor here. We only using the top new model, the decompressor on the top, so we block this one up. It comes with the bolt, so super tight then. And it never come up. And when you tighten up, make sure you check all the metal, see any scrap or anything that fall in here. Okay, but you see the way it's finished, it's really shiny and really good. See the way it's shiny. The finish in here, the quality not that bad. So keep an eye on the oil fill mixer, and you'll be right. Okay, put all the parts in. Put all the parts in. Intake manifold and the spring for the engine, and it's go in like that. Okay. Beautiful. Now we insert the piston rings. Look for the pin location. Where this one go on the top? Go on the top. Watch out for the target of the machine. So when it go down, this one, the little group that suck the air in. 2-stroke. This one suck the air up and down, suck the air, and that's why it have to go in the way of the 2-stroke. You know, have to go into the carbine. This all depends different design. The Husqvarna go this way. The steel, they don't have any direction. The steel, you can go either way. Change goes. This one, squeeze on the rings where the gap of the piston rings. Go in there. I will show you the bottom one. That one in. Top one on. And now the bottom one. Roll this one over. And roll a little bit. Roll the bolt. Yep. Go on. You see? That's how it go on. When it go on, slide this one up. Push it up here. See? And what we do is put one of them in, light up the gasket line. That's all you need to do. Now they light up, okay? Position. So what we do is do whatever you want, man. Go in. Put your hand in. 1, 2 on each side, and then the rest yours. Okay, now we can move this one. Put away. Now go straight in. Now you can turn smoothly. You can turn very smoothly. See? See? Very smoothly. Very smooth. This one in by hand. Make sure do it secure by hand, okay? And much stronger down. Tight down more. You see how you install the exhaust? Brand new spark plugs in, and we are happy. Okay, choke cable, choke lever. Sure, you can wash by water. See, Husqvarna making very good strong housing with thick aluminium here, but they have very bad air filter. That's all. But the Husqvarna, if it's got a better air filter, it will be better than the steel. So now we put the handle on. We put the handle on, so it looks like brand banking new. Wash through with the water. Don't let you saw, brother. So if you want it good, you turn it around like this. Turn around, and you can go here. Got a bit of pull. Okay. Before install the guard, this one similar like I steel, because this is the k970 new model. It's using the spring for the using the push spring here for the belt tensioner. See, like this one, they push it out, okay, and they bring it up all the way. It's similar like a steel one. It's much stronger and bigger, so they last longer than the k970. Or k950 or k960, or about the same. Okay, so put it on like that, exactly like a steel. Now you set up this one, put this one there, and go there like that to hold the belt on the line. And all we do is just push this one all the way like that, and then what we do is just turn this one up all the way, exactly like a steel, but design like this is better than before. So see this one, only one way go. The spring push this one out, and it's strong, see? And no wobbling here. What we do is just put this one straight on. This one, design the pull, the clutch, the pull start. The design on this one and the pull start much better than the steel. The only problem is the air intake. So that's all about. And another way, this one much stronger design, and design this one better, and design the pull start better than steel. And it's much easy to repair than steel too. Okay, we blow the hole, so that means when you blow like that, you can hear the air coming out. That means air coming out. It's right here. Okay, we got some air coming out. All we do is just push it on, and then done. And we got some airflow. Just be careful if it's blocked. We may have to take this one off and unblock the hole here, and we can have the beautiful machine. Very good material here, and like just a bit thin layer, extra, you know, just make a little hole. a little hole. What I do is the surface down, extra layer, okay? And I put 1 or 2 drops of parsley oil. So like that. Brand new air filter. Hopefully this will double secure the air intake for them. See the old one, it's jumping here. The group here is jumping. That's why it go, the dust go enter underneath as well. I do a magic touch. 1 on each one. This one, go all on this one. That's how it go in. And push down. Where push down, see the line? That will stop this one jumping. See, that will be right there. And kaboom. We got our fresh engine. Done. That's all we need. And this is called 100% beautiful super jobs, and the saw look like brand spanking new. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools. This is a fully rebuilt Husqvarna k970 saw, and yeah, very simple and very all about the same, you know, if you know the basics.